Welcome to Week 5 of Math Concepts, Probability and Statistics. This week, we will finish up our study of probability with topics 12, 13, and 15. In topic 12, you will learn about normal distributions. As you have learned, every variable has a distribution that tells us what values or levels the variable takes on and how often it takes on those values or levels. The normal distribution describes a lot of quantitative variables very well, so that's why we study it in this course. It will also play a starring role in our study of the central limit theorem in topic 13. Now to make calculations about probabilities that involve normally distributed variables, we will have two options. We can do them by hand using table 2 or using an applet. You need to know how to do it both ways. When you get to the homework, I suggest that you practice using both methods. When you get to the final exam, you will only be able to use table 2. Moving on from there, we have just some of the activities from topic 15, not all of them. That is because there are activities in topic 15 that cover the central limit theorem for sample means, and we have only covered the central limit theorem for sample proportions. Pay careful attention to the activity that asks you to check whether the conditions are met for applying the central limit theorem. If you need to use the central limit theorem in future courses or future work projects, then it is important that these conditions are satisfied. Otherwise, you will use the central limit theorem. Your use of the central limit theorem may give unreliable results. Before I go, I want to note that the concepts and ideas that we are studying this week tend to be some of the most difficult for students taking an introductory statistics course. Hang in there. You can do it. I'm always available by email, and we can always set up a Skype session. Now it's time for us to get to work. Happy studying.